How to use Claude Code in Intellij 2026. Claude Code is hands down one of the most powerful AI coding tools available right now, and you don't have to leave Intellij to use it. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to install and use Claude Code directly inside Intellij in 2026, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're setting up Claude Code inside Intellij IDEA. Claude Code integrates with JetBrains IDEs through a dedicated plugin, giving you features like interactive diff viewing, selection context sharing, and direct access to Claude from inside your editor. Let's get everything installed and running right now. Step 1. Install the Claude Code CLI first. This plugin requires Claude Code to be installed separately before anything else. Head to Claude.com Claude Code, download the CLI for your operating system, and complete the installation. You'll also need to authenticate with your Anthropic or Claude Max account during this step before moving forward. Step 2. Install the Claude Code plugin inside Intellij. Open Intellij IDEA, go to the Plugins Marketplace, search for Claude Code, and install it. After installation, restart the IDE to activate the plugin. The official plugin is listed as Claude Code Beta and is published directly by Anthropic. Step 3. Launch Claude Code from inside Intellij. Once the plugin is installed and the IDE has restarted, you're ready to go. Use CMD and Escape on Mac or Control and Escape on Windows and Linux to open Claude Code directly from your editor, or simply click the Claude Code button in the UI. Step 4. Start using Claude Code on your project. Open any file or highlight a block of code you want Claude to work on. The current selection or tab in the IDE is automatically shared with Claude Code, so Claude always has the right context without you needing to copy and paste anything manually. Step 5. Review changes with the built-in diff viewer. When Claude suggests edits or rewrites to your code, file diffs open directly in the Intellij diff viewer, so you can review and modify every proposed change before accepting it. Nothing gets applied to your codebase without your approval. Step 6. Use file references and diagnostics for smarter assistance. Use CMD Option K on Mac or Control-Alt-K on Windows and Linux to insert file references like at file with specific line numbers. On top of that, squiggly errors and warnings from your code are shared with Claude Code in real time, so Claude can see and fix your actual live errors as they appear in the editor. Here's your pro tip. Once Claude Code is installed and authenticated, the plugin displays your Claude subscription usage limits live in the Intellij status bar at the bottom of your IDE, with auto refresh every minute. This means you'll always know exactly how much of your daily usage you've consumed without having to open a browser, keeping your workflow completely uninterrupted inside Intellij all day long. And that's everything you need to get Claude Code running inside Intellij in 2026. Installing the CLI, adding the plugin from the marketplace, launching it with a keyboard shortcut, sharing context automatically, reviewing diffs safely, and monitoring your usage right from the status bar. It's one of the cleanest AI coding setups available for Java and JetBrains developers right now. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more developer tool tutorials every week. And drop a comment below, are you using Claude Code for Java, Kotlin, or something else entirely? I'd love to know. See you in the next one.